Hello my friends and welcome to today's video. Today we have the finale of my Rainbow series part 2 2020. Today's look is inspired by the Instagram Makeup by Raquel, just like this drip rainbow eye look. I believe she was inspired, yes. Just reading based off of this says that she was inspired by Chloe Fitz, I believe, and James Charles. This is the one that I am recreating today. I already have my brows done, my eyes primed and set, so I'm going to throw on some music and we're going to go ahead and jump on in. this is the final look. I'm obsessed with it. I'm glad that I did go with this look inspired by, well, kind of recreated from Makeup Raquel. I'm kind of obsessed with this lip combo. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media, which is all under SassMaddieYT, so it's spelled here, both Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And with all that being said, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.